need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Sean here with another video, and today I want to focus on something a little different. I want to talk about how to make money on the side, because a lot of people, they live paycheck to paycheck and they can't afford to lose some of that paycheck to investments or ideas they might have, courses they may want to buy, whatever the case may be, right? I'm in the same boat. I'm nothing special here. I'm just showing you guys what I do to make some extra money on the side so that I can continue to do these investments and create ads and so on and so forth, personal branding, you name it, so that if I do fail, I'm not taking money away from my family, my house, my bills, food. That's my goal behind it. So I want to show you guys how I do it. Now it's not easy, not the easiest, I should say, but anybody can do it, and that's the best part. Anybody can do it. It doesn't require much to do it, but you're not going to make thousands of dollars doing this. This is seed money, if you will, to get you started on investments, and then grow from there. But the first one I want to talk about is user testing. I touched base on this a couple videos ago. It was pretty simple. I told you what it was all about. I just want to reiterate about it again because I use it consistently, and you can make $10, $20, $30 by doing this. And all it is you're just taking you take a screener first, as you can see right here, and what you do is you're testing out an app or a website for whatever company, and all you do is you basically you have it screen capture your monitor, and you talk out loud, and they give you tasks to complete, and then as you're completing them, you talk about what you're thinking, what you expect to see, why you're navigating this way to complete the task. Did you expect to see something else? Was the design good? Is there something you'd like to see differently? You're just talking out loud. You just, whatever's on your mind. That's all they want to know. They want to know, what is somebody thinking? And the cool thing is you can do this on your phone. You can do this on Windows. You can do this on Mac. You can do it on a tablet. You name it. Now, when you first make your profile, you need to tell them like what you have, what you're into, what you like and stuff, because then that's how they kind of lean you towards certain tasks and certain certain screeners to take to better understand who you are and if you're a good candidate or not to test out the application. So I'm not going to do it right now. Obviously, it takes a little bit, but you can make $10 to $20 easily by doing this, and you could probably get 2 or 3 done. I mean, look how many I have just sitting here right now. Now, I may not qualify for all of these, but I'm sure I can qualify for about half of these, if not a little bit more, right? And each one of these could be $10 to $20 depending on what it is, and then it just goes right into your PayPal account. Now, I have 0 in there right now because I withdrew most of my money, or actually all of it. But I do this like maybe once or twice a week, make a little extra money, put it aside, and then use it for some kind of investment or ads. But the new one I wanted to talk about was called Slice the Pie. I actually tried it out myself. Now, again, don't laugh, but it's not a lot of money, guys. It really isn't, but it's something you could do in the background. For instance, if you want to listen to music, you see how it says like bonus, you get twice as much. Now, I think the most I've ever gotten was like 5 cents. I know, right? It's pretty funny, but it adds up over time, and it's so easy. You just click this button right here after you sign up, and you click play. Here, I'll see if I can show you real quick. I'll demonstrate it. Okay, so how often you use Facebook? Let's just say I use it daily, right? How often you use Instagram? Let's say weekly. How often I use LinkedIn? Once a month. And Snapchat daily. Twitter daily. See, now this is actually the first time it's ever asked me to do something like this. So let's see. How often you use Tumblr? Monthly. How often you use YouTube? How often do I use YouTube, guys? Daily. Pinterest daily. Submit. Okay, so there you go, right? So that's actually the first time I had to do that. They probably just wanted to get to know me a little bit better. But all you do is you hit play, right? I'm not going to do it right now because you're going to hear the music and it's going to be overwhelming. But you hit play, you listen to the song, and then within 90 seconds of listening to it, you tell them what you like, what you don't like, and then you rate it from 1 to 10, and then you just answer the question. If this piece of music was a person, what extent would you describe them as? Okay, so, and you just go down here, and that's it. You hit submit, and you're done. And, whatever. Like I said, I get 5 cents sometimes, but that's because this is a bonus, right? So if they're not all bonuses, then you're probably going to get like 1 to 2 cents depending on what it is. But so far, I've done film and I've done music, but mostly music because I just like play and then I'm doing something else, and it just plays in the background. I listen to it if I like it, I'll maybe come over to my other screen and I'll say what I like, what I don't like, so on and so forth. But it's just extra money that you can make, and once you get to $10, you can withdraw. Now, I never said that you were gonna make a ton of money doing this. I actually, in fact, told you weren't going to, but it's the fact that you can make extra money on the side. Now, these are just 2 ways. There's a ton more out there, but these are 2 that I found that are reliable, that work, that don't require much out of you, especially this one. But if it's easy, what do you expect? You're not going to get a ton of money, right? Anything worth anything is not easy. Everyone knows that. So, there's no reason why you can sit there and say, "Oh, I don't have the money to invest in something," when you have. I'm showing you ways that you can make money on the side that require little to no effort. So, with that being said, guys, I want to update you guys on my BitConnect and my HashFlare accounts. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I've been investing $10, reinvesting $10 quite often now. It feels like it's like every other day almost. I'm pretty sure that this one right here is going to get me to 400, and like I said, I start out at 290. So I'm getting up there. I'm nowhere near some of the people over there, but I only start out at $290, and you see what I do. I come on here, I hit reinvest. I mean, I don't really know how much more complicated this could be. It's super easy. So reinvest 299 days. It's going to say successful. Awesome. There you go, right? And I'm done. So if I refresh the page here, it should tell me my total investments are at 400. I just like to show you guys what I'm doing on this, and it's not complicated at all. There you go, 400 bucks. So my total that I've earned is $113. And like I said, as far as affiliates go, I have like one person that really invests, and he's actually has about like 350 bucks right now in there. So if you can get under people underneath you into your team, you can really make some money off of this. But you make a killing anyways. This is like a savings account. That's really what it is for me. And I'm just going to keep letting it roll over and roll over. And then when I get to a certain point where I get to about like $100 every day, it's going to take a while to get there. But once I do get there, that's when I'll probably end up starting to withdraw a lot of it. So I want to show you guys real quick what the volatility software interest looks like. So this is what my interest has been for the past couple days. I mean, other than this day, right? This is like complete crap. But for the most part, I've been killing it over 1%, 0.46, 1.29. You see where I'm getting at. The average is 0.85. So it's pretty good. Again, I mean, I don't know what savings account that you can put money in and get returns like this. So hopefully, by seeing this firsthand, guys, it kind of eases your mind a little bit. I know a lot of people are still skeptical about it, and that's fine. I'm not forcing you into it. I just want to show you what I'm doing. And if you like it, by all means, ask me some questions, and I'll help you out the best I can. So let's go into HashFlare. Now, I don't know if I told you guys yet about HashFlare, but I invested like 96 originally, and what I did is I set up my reinvestment so that it does it automatically. So when I get enough money to reinvest 0.01 terahash, it'll automatically go and do it for me. So I don't even have to really come onto this website anymore if I didn't want to. I just do it because I like to see where I'm at. So now my revenue forecast, there's 2 things you got to understand about this, and I'm being honest, I'm not going to tell you, it's all rainbows and sunshine, because it's not, but they don't account for fees. You pay a very small fee, which I'll see if I can show you here in a second. So this is not really accurate, but also it depends on the price of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, then your daily forecast, is going to be greater than what it is right now. So that kind of fluctuates a lot based off that, because I started out at 0.44 at like 72 cents, and then I went to like 0.46 and I was like $1.12, now I'm at 0.47 and I'm down to 93. So it fluctuates, but at the end of the day, it's passive income, right? That's the bottom line. It's passive income right now. It's small, right? I'm not telling you I have like 100 terahash or whatever you want to call. I'm making all this money. I'm not, right? I have to start off small because this is what I have, right? I used my seed money that I made and I invested into this, and this is how I'm growing it, right? So let me see if I can show you the fees that you have to pay. They're not like huge, especially for me, because I don't have, I'm not getting that much every day. But let's see if we could take a look here. Here we go, right here. Okay, so this is what I got for the 9th, and this is the fee right here. So let's see, let me see if I'll do this right on the fly here, guys, so forgive me if I mess this up. Okay, so, 94 cents, right? That's what I got out of Bitcoin for that one day. Now let's come back over here and put this in. 15 cents, right? So 94 minus 15 cents. I'm not going to go crazy with the math here. I don't know, 79 cents, something like that, right? I could be off. I probably am. Whatever. But you see what I'm getting at? I just want to show you guys that, there is a little bit of a difference. So keep that in mind if you do decide to do this. There is a link below for this as well. I'll put a link down below for Slice the Pie and user testing as well, guys. If you just want to give it a shot, there's, like I said, there's nothing to it. You make an account and boom, you're in. That's it. And if I were you, I'd only do the ones that have the bonus. And I have yet to increase my ratings for my stars, but if you do, they say that you can make more money. So obviously, give a good review. Put a little time and effort into it. I mean, it could be worth it down the road. It's not hard at all. It's really easy. And this one, same thing with this one. As you can see, I have 4 stars. So I had a couple of my things rated that were a little wishy-washy at first, but I figured out what to do, and my ratings shot up to 4 stars instead of like 2 or 1. Now the benefit to that is that you get more contracts, let's call them, right? You get more of these that allow you to make more money. So that's about it, guys. Oh, and as far as everybody for the giveaway that I did, the winners. I have them all written down. I'm waiting for the money to still clear on GDAX. It should clear on the 12th. Once it does, I'll make a video on that and just let everybody know that they got their money, and hopefully use it wisely and you start investing with it. And if I can help you guys, even the littlest, just to maybe push you over the edge and give you the encouragement that you need to whatever it is, take a step forward, even if it's a small step. I'll do whatever I can. So that's it for me, guys. Hopefully you like the video. Subscribe, leave a comment. I'm slowly building. You guys see, look, I have 34 subscribers. Nothing crazy, right? But it's baby steps. I'm slowly learning what to make videos about and what you guys want to hear and what you guys like. So help me grow my channel. Watch me as I journey from nothing to hopefully something someday, to where I have multiple streams of income, and I don't have to work a job anymore. I mean, that's my goal. So that's it for me, guys. Until next time, take care.